Come with me and you will see all the things that we find in the trash. It's garbage picking time.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Franky Cheese. Hit the thumbs up button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we're gonna get started. I have a special guest, Daddy.
Hello.
So today
We're going to continue working on Grandma's Mother's Day gift.
Mother's Day.
What's it? The rocking thing? Whatever that was called.
Yeah.
What's it called? I worked for like a bazillion hours today, so my brain is over. But we're going to start the de-rusting process. And to do that, we need grass seed. No, wait. We don't need grass seed. Washing soda. Now, I forget how much to put in there, so I'm just going to make a guesstimate.
Maybe 5?
I'll put it in the comments or I'll dump it in. Oh, so hold on. So she's going to pour in the washing soda.
Yeah. You ready, guys?
All right. Yummy. Hey.
I want to get some.
I don't think it takes a lot. That's good. That ought to be enough.
Come on, guys. You
Washing
should
soda.
hit.
And, well, we've got more to do.
Guys, you should hit the my subscribe button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit my subscribe button if you did.
So we got our battery charger, 10 amp. We have enough washing soda in there. That's enough. That's enough. That's too much now. Now we put too much in there.
Now I'm gonna
I think it's
stir
only
it.
like a tablespoon for every gallon or something. So we got our sacrificial anode. So you need a piece of steel that you can sacrifice. I scratched it up because I think it's got some coating on it.
Yes.
So there will be our sacrificial anode. You gotta watch it doesn't fall on your other one. You gotta.
Guys,
So
watch to the end of the video and see.
you need to get your wire because you gotta connect them all electrically together. And we gotta get the hose and start filling this up with water.
Yay! Let's go get the hose. Guys, we got the hose. Here's the hose. Okay, ready? Is it on? We need more baking soda.
No, washing powder. Wash my hands. You're filling it up. Hopefully some of that dissolves.
We need to mix that, guys. Oh, that should be good. Once it gets up to here, right? Okay.
Okay, go shut the water off. Run, rabbit, run. Oh, poop. Shut the water off. No, you turned it on full blast.
Ow!
Turn it the other way.
This way?
Better hurry, I'm gonna squirt you. Better turn it the other way, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Hurry!
Is this
Hurry! Oh, you just made it in the nick of
I
time.
didn't know it was that way. Guys, I didn't know it was
Look, it's all over it went all over the battery charger. Luckily I didn't have it plugged in.
Guys, look.
Would have got
Guys,
electrocuted.
it's so much. Look.
Yep. Okay, so what we got to do now is wire up all those metal pieces.
Oh, guys, sorry.
So you're just gonna feed the wire through and we'll wrap it around.
And then put it in the water.
Put it in the water.
Alright, guys, so you can come with me. We'll speed this video up for you. So let's put you right here. Okay, so while he's doing that, we're gonna do a little fun dance, okay? Kangaroo-doo-doo! Let's do a fun dance, okay? Do-do-do-do.
got our sacrificial anode hooked up right there. Got the negative on our product to be derusted. And in a little while, you'll start to see bubbles forming on the metal. In a little while. This usually takes, like I said, hours. This is probably going to be a 24-hour soak.
Looks like somebody took a poopy in
this.
the bathtub.
Oh man, there's like, look at this poopy. Yuck. Look at that. Ew, man. Oh. It's given up all of its free electrons to help stabilize the skeleton. And the bar is a lot thinner. You can see inside there. Ugh. Alright, looks good. See that there?
I'm getting bored. Let's speed this thing up. Goodness gracious, it's bedtime.
I'm just gonna, it's actually got some of the paint to come off.
Scrape, scrape, scrape all day long. Scrape, scrape, scrape while I sing this song. Gonna scrape this metal, gonna make it shine. Gonna clean up this paint with turpentine. Holy moly, this music makes it sound like a scraping rodeo.
Pretty much derusted. So all we got left is we got to just clean them up. We'll brush them up, get all the rest of the loose paint off of these. But for the most part, the rust is off, and what you have left is just this black metal or black coating on these. And once we get these all cleaned up, washed up, and then dried off, we can begin, surface prepping and other things on these. So that's what we have so far. The next thing into this dirty, icky pot will be those two pieces of metal there, the smaller armrests. So tune in later for that. Well, I got them all cleaned up. Some of them are still a little scaly. I might throw them back in for another soak. Maybe for another day. Just get them so they're completely derusted. I think they are for the most part. As you can see, they came out pretty clean. And now it's time to give them a pretty good washing to get any grease off of them. This is a necessary evil, so what you want to do is wash them and dry them off as quick as you can. I'm going to wash that rust right out of my metal. I'm going to wash that rust right out of my metal. New from Blammo, the metal cleaning rust remover. Why, those metal things look as dry as my granddaddy's skull. We had to do the necessary evil of washing them, but that's get all the dirt and oils that are on there. So just make sure you dry them off and they shouldn't rust on you. And now to spray them with some of this Loctite rust stabilizer. It's like a rust converter. Any rust that is left over will be converted into some, I don't know what do you call it, iron, whatever they call it. Some chemical change takes place. Any rust that's like red turns black. So, and you know, after just washing this with water, a little bit of surface rust will return. This will effectively stop that right in its tracks. So I'll just put like one big thick coat of this stuff on there and let it dry overnight, and then it'll be ready to prime, Optimus style. Come with me and you will see all the things that we find in the trash. It's garbage picking time! Well, wasn't this fun? So I think we'll pause it right here, and we'll tune in next week when I have another exciting episode of Glider Restoration.